The Scarlet Jewel. A deep dive into the world of strawberries. Strawberries, those vibrant, heart-shaped berries, are a quintessential symbol of summer. Their sweet, tangy flavor and juicy texture make them a beloved fruit worldwide, enjoyed in countless forms, from fresh snacks to decadent desserts. But beyond their deliciousness, strawberries boast a rich history, complex botany, and surprising nutritional benefits. Let's delve into the fascinating world of these scarlet jewels. A botanical perspective. Despite their common association with berries, strawberries are technically not berries at all. They belong to the rose family Rosaceae, and are classified as aggregate accessory fruits. What we perceive as the fruit is actually the swollen receptacle of the flower, while the tiny seeds dotting the surface are actually the true fruits, called achenes. Each achene contains a single seed. The strawberry plant, Fragaria spp, is a perennial herbaceous plant with creeping stems called stolons. These stolons root at nodes, giving rise to new daughter plants, enabling the plant to spread rapidly. There are over 20 species of Fragaria, each with unique characteristics. The most commonly cultivated species is Fragaria ananasa, a hybrid resulting from a cross between the Chilean strawberry, Fragaria chiloensis, and the Virginian strawberry, Fragaria virginiana. A rich history. Strawberries have a long and storied history. Wild strawberries have been consumed by humans for millennia. Evidence suggests they were eaten by ancient Romans. The cultivation of strawberries, however, began much later, primarily in Europe during the 18th century. The accidental hybridization of the Chilean and Virginian strawberries in a French garden led to the development of the larger, sweeter garden strawberry we know today. From Europe, strawberries spread to North America and then to the rest of the world. Their adaptability to various climates and their relatively short growing cycle have made them a popular crop globally. Cultivation and varieties. Strawberry cultivation is a delicate art. They thrive in well-drained, slightly acidic soil and require ample sunlight. Growers employ various techniques, including raised beds, plastic mulches, and row covers, to optimize growing conditions and protect the plants from pests and diseases. Numerous strawberry varieties have been developed, each with its own unique characteristics. June-bearing varieties. These produce a single large crop over a 2 to 3 week period in late spring or early summer. Ever-bearing varieties. These produce 2 or 3 crops throughout the growing season. Day-neutral varieties. These produce a continuous crop of strawberries throughout the growing season, provided temperatures are suitable. Some popular varieties include Chandler, known for its sweet flavor and large size. Seascape, a popular day-neutral variety with excellent flavor and productivity. Albion, another excellent day-neutral variety, renowned for its sweetness and disease resistance. Honeoy, a popular June-bearing variety, favored for its early ripening and sweet tart flavor. Nutritional powerhouse. Strawberries are not just delicious. They are also packed with nutrients. Vitamin C. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and collagen production. Manganese. This mineral plays a vital role in bone health, metabolism, and antioxidant defense. Folate, vitamin B9, essential for cell growth and development, particularly important during pregnancy. Potassium. Helps regulate blood pressure. Fiber. Promotes digestive health. Antioxidants. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which contribute to their red color and have been linked to various health benefits, such as reducing the risk of heart disease and certain cancers. Culinary delights. The versatility of strawberries in the kitchen is boundless. They can be enjoyed fresh, added to salads, blended into smoothies, baked into pies and tarts, or made into jams and preserves. Fresh, simply washed and eaten whole, or sliced and sprinkled with sugar or a drizzle of balsamic vinegar. Smoothies, blended with yogurt, milk, or other fruits for a refreshing and nutritious drink. Desserts, strawberry shortcake, strawberry pie, strawberry cheesecake, and strawberry ice cream are classic favorites. Jams and preserves, a great way to preserve the flavor of strawberries for enjoyment throughout the year. Salads. Sliced strawberries add a sweet and tangy element to salads with spinach, feta cheese, and balsamic vinaigrette. Beyond the plate. Strawberries have also found applications beyond the culinary world. Cosmetics. Strawberry extracts are used in skincare products for their antioxidant and skin brightening properties. Traditional medicine. In some cultures, strawberries have been used to treat various ailments, although scientific evidence for these uses is limited. The future of strawberries. Ongoing research is focused on developing new strawberry varieties with improved flavor, disease resistance, and shelf life. Scientists are also exploring sustainable farming practices to minimize the environmental impact of strawberry production. From their humble beginnings as wild berries to their current status as a global culinary icon, strawberries continue to captivate our taste buds and nourish our bodies. Their vibrant color, sweet flavor, and nutritional benefits make them a true treasure of the natural world.